How's those little footsies doing, huh, buddy boy? Oh, there you go. Get them up there. Get those little footsies working. Okay, can you get them up there? There, that's the one that's weak.
Left one.
See, oh, come and go. Whoop, see if you keep him close to you. Keep your hand on his back so he doesn't fall.
Good boy, sweetie.
Got a lot more grip than he did, doesn't he?
Yes, he does. Just going to take some TLC.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. I'm going to take you over here. I'm going to switch.
Now, have you got him?
Yep, I've got him. I've got the big boy. I got the big boy. Him's going to take a little walk. Whoops, it's okay, buddy. Yes. Look at you. You can walk, Meiko. Where are you going, huh? Wow. Oh, you're going to go up there? Can you do it? I'll let you try. Let's see how those footsies work, Kay. It's going to be a challenge, but if you want to try. Good boy, Meiko. Aww. Look at him. Good boy, Meeks. Look at you. I don't know what you're going to do when you get to the top, but hey, I'll let you see. Wow. Oh, are you proud of yourself, Meiko? Yes. How does it feel to use those footsies, baby boy? Yes. Aw. Yes, that doesn't look very comfortable, though.
No.
There, baby. I'm going to go back and sit on Dick's back again. Yes, okay.